Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we did this black and white staring beaded cover. If you're new to the channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share this content so that it can get to more people. For those of you who have done beading before with me on our tutorials, you know that this is an easy pattern because it's just basically black and white, so that's why I didn't do the in-depth tutorial. But if you're interested in that, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. As you can see, this is how our pattern looks when before we stitched it onto this cover. So it's basically just black and white, and with every progress that you make, you just see if it fits. I also did in-depth beading tutorial on where we did a Kenyan themed staring cover. Kindly check that video out. The link will be down on the description below, but it's also on our playlist. The fishing line that we use on this staring cover is 0.60 millimeters fishing line, so that's the one that I've used here, and the bead size is size 8. That's the size of these beads that we're using. So what I'm doing here is I'm stitching this beaded strap onto this plastic staring cover so that it can be very secure and it won't slip off once it's onto the steering wheel. So the stitch that we use to attach it to this cover is the one that's used to sew shoes. I think I call it the Cobblers Stitch, but I'm quite sure that's not the correct name. But it's basically where I use this cobbler's needle, and using the fishing line that I earlier put, I poke the steering cover and then pull the fishing line from the bottom up to the top, making a loop, and then I pass the fishing line on the top through that loop, and then you pull it down, and that makes quite a firm grip. And then I repeat the same thing over and over on both ends so that the beading is well secured onto this cover. Guys, remember, these skills that you learn here can easily be made into an income generating skill. You can make money by selling this product, and also you can earn some extra dollar by also doing it as a hobby. You can do this as a hobby or full-time. One thing I would love to remind you guys about beading is you are going to make a mistake and place a wrong bead somewhere or do something silly. I personally still do the same, but it's important to be keen so that you can easily spot these mistakes before going too far, so you can correct it faster. Remember that this is handwork and we are all humans, so mistakes are bound to happen, and you only need to spot them earlier. As you can see here, we've completed stitching it and it looks quite nice. It feels so nice. I wish you guys could be able to feel this. If you'd love to place your order, kindly check the details down on the description below. You'll be able to reach me, and let's try this out onto a car. So it matches the color combination of the car, which is black and white, and let's put it onto the steering wheel. And by the way, this helps if you have sweaty hands, because the steering is not going to get sweaty because of the beads, and it also feels quite nice. It's like it's massaging you, and I really love it. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think about it on the comments section down below. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in our next video, guys. Thank you.